Mind over, I am getting 4th standard. I going to feed about Kamaraj. Kamaraj was born on 15 July 1990 in Virudhunagar district. He is a man known for his simplicity and integrity. He is responsible for bringing free education and midday meal scheme to the disadvantaged. The king make India political Bharata Kamaraj. He was awarded India's highest civilian honor in 1976.